Hello people, so here is an epic fail by me. So this is a guy I'm chasing, there's me in a biplane that's got 20 mils, it's a Russian premium I-153. I do highly recommend it to take it into high tier battles. Now watch closely. Oh, what the fuck's going on? That's a bomb. No, so he drops a bomb, trying to kill me, but I maneuver out the way. So I turn right, my right. I think somewhere, there you go, there's a teammate of mine. Now watch that teammate carefully. There's me, still chasing him. He drops down, drops another bomb, thinking that I'd follow his path into his flight. I turn out the way. Now watch that teammate over there. Right, so there's me. I actually ran out of ammo at this point. That was my last shot. There you go. Yeah, that just seriously happened. Yep, I'm not fucking kidding, that seriously just did happen. He killed me, and then I killed my own teammate. Wow.